Hey guys, this is my 2015 bike check. I'll start from the top. I have the Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars. I have Animal Edwin grips. My bar ends are Odyssey par ends. I have the Shadow Ravager stem. I have the Sabrosa Bitchin headset. I have We the People forks. My front wheel is a Colony Pinnacle wheel. The hub is a Colony Wasp female axle. My tires are Kink Lyra tires in 2.3. I have pipe bomb cranks. I have Odyssey twisted PCs. I have a Colony bottom bracket. I have a stolen STS pivotal seat. I have a Fit sprocket. My chain is a Shadow Conspiracy Interlock V2, half link. My frame is a Fiend Signature Time Model frame. Oh, my back wheel is a Colony Pintour wheel with the Colony Wasp cassette hub. And I'll do a hub sound. Well, guys, that's my bike. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments.